Hey everyone and welcome back to Aholic. In this video, I'll show you how to add your own photo as a custom watch face on your Amazfit watch. It's super easy and works on most Amazfit models like the T-Rex series, GTR series and more. Let me show you how to do it. To set your own photo as a custom watch face on Amazfit, you're going to need the connected smartphone. For the demonstration, I'm using my T-Rex 2. However, you can follow the same steps for your Amazfit smartwatch. First things first, open the Zap app and make sure that your watch is connected to it. Next, tap on Device and go to Watch Faces section. Scroll down and you'll find this Customize Background option. By tapping on More, you'll see all the available selections for the time widget. Choose where you want to display the time. If you're going to set your own photo as a watch face, then I'd recommend choosing the bottom one to avoid the widget from covering your face. After selecting the widget, you can choose the color of the text from here. To select your own photo, tap on Add button and select Photos. Now, just choose whichever photo you want to set as your watch face on your Amazfit. I'm selecting this one. You can also resize and set the photo as per your liking. When you're finished, tap on Select and Sync. And that's it. That's how you can easily set a custom wallpaper or your own photo as a watch face on your Amazfit smartwatch. If you found this video informative, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Aholic for more smartwatch tips, tricks and reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.